Historically, the energy at ConExpo has been pretty high, and 2023 seems to be taking it to the next level. And speaking of history, Volvo's history of building reliable, industry-leading asphalt and soil compactors dates back decades. We continue to pour new technology, innovations, and groundbreaking solutions into every compactor we manufacture. And here at ConExpo, we're proud to show off the newest member of our asphalt compactor lineup, the DD25 Electric. A Volvo expert very familiar with this project is Justin. So Justin Zupak?
Zupak, yes.
Zupak it is. Head of Electromobility Autonomous Solutions joins me now. Welcome, Justin.
Thanks, Linda.
I butcher your name.
You got it.
Excellent. So tell us a little bit more about all new electric compactor that we just saw in that video.
Yeah, this is a machine that we're very excited about. We've been working on this for a while now. We've been running testing, and it's really based on the machines that we've already put in the market. So we've been successful with our excavators, our loaders in the compact size, and now we wanted to spread out into the compaction world. And this machine is really proven on the components, so we've been able to spend the time and work on the application side and make sure that the compaction specific details are functioning the way that our customers expect.
And I think we have a video of that walk around of that new electric compactor that John Roos is going to do. So he's going to give a quick walk around on the machine, which is perfect time to put in your comments, any questions that you might have in the chat. It's a live Q&A session with Justin right here after. So let's take a look at that, a little closer look at that DD25 electric compactor. Can we go to that video?
Hello, thanks for joining me today. I'm John Rouse with Volvo Construction Equipment on the Asphalt Design Team, and today I'll be giving you a walk around of our latest electric machine, the DD25 Electric Asphalt Compactor. We're going to start off going around the exterior, and then we'll go up under the hood and show you all the exciting bits under there as well. The machine did receive a design update from the 25B, so it looks vastly different than the older machine. In addition to the exterior, we do have full LED lighting options to provide that ambient lighting on night job sites. And moving to our operator's platform, we now have a full color display to keep the operator informed of everything that's going on with the machine. This being an electric machine, you're going to have to charge it somehow. Our charge port to AC charging is located right here. Under the hood, we'll get to our fast charger. Here is our 48-volt DC fast charger. This will get the machine to a full charge in as little as an hour. So the first question with many electric machines is, what is the run time? We are designing this machine to be able to run for a full typical working shift. This is something we are continually testing both here on site and in the field to continually update our power management strategy so we get our maximum runtime possible to keep this roller rolling. If we move around to the other side, we'll go over some of our battery structure and motor as well. Here on this side under hood, many of these components are going to look familiar to you if you're familiar with the ECR25 and L25 electric machines. All of our architecture is based on the same job site proven technology that they are using. We have a 20 kilowatt hour power pack in this machine. Talking about our motor will really allow us to compare and contrast the performance of this machine with its diesel counterpart. So due to emissions regulations, the diesel version has 18.5 kilowatts of available power. This machine has 24 kilowatts, so that allows it to have better performance on grades, and since it's not relying on natural aspiration, it's able to keep that performance in higher altitudes as well, where the diesel performance is going to be knocked off. We have maintenance-free bearings for our eccentric bearings, no motor oil, no engine air filters to deal with. Everything on this machine is just hydraulic oil and grease points for the articulation joint. With all of that, it adds up to a lower cost of ownership and higher production for the machine. Thank you for joining me for our walk around today of the DD25 Electric Asphalt Compactor. I'll be heading inside to answer any questions you may have.
Well, I love the sleek new design, and it sounds like this machine can help cut fuel costs as well as maintenance on a lot of different job sites. So if you haven't already, go ahead and put your questions about the DD25 Electric in the chat, and we can start talking to Justin here. This is a new machine category for Volvo when it comes to electric, with the first electric machines being excavators and wheel loaders. So why did Volvo choose a compactor as its next effort?
for us, this was a natural fit. So we already had other machines in the compact classification that were out there in the industry, and we had customers asking for it. We have different states, we have different countries that are passing legislation, and they're looking for these types of machines to help them meet the requirements. So for us, we're meeting our customers' needs as well as trying to provide an opportunity for new customers to come on board.
Now, in the video, I heard that it's more about the performance compared with the diesel machines. Can you expand on that a little bit? What performance differences? What are the advantages? Will owners and operators notice this difference?
Yeah, absolutely. And from the performance side, the biggest thing you're going to notice from the conventional diesel machine is this machine is more powerful. So it has 20% more power than its equivalent diesel model, and that really makes that the power is available on demand as well. There is no ramp up, there is no delay. It's instantaneously available. If we have customers who are working at higher elevations, since we're no longer working on an internal combustion engine, these machines will not derate. The power you have at sea level is the power you're going to have at elevation.
Now, I noticed this morning in the press conference, Volvo announced pre-orders for this particular machine. When do they anticipate seeing the DD25 electric compactor actually on job sites working?
So we anticipate going to production later this year in 2023, and then in 2024 we'll begin shipping units to customers, and you're going to start to see them at your dealerships and your fields and your job sites, hopefully all around you.
So how long does the AC charging take on this particular model? I can see it. This is awesome. This is live.
That's a great question, and for us, we've got two methods of charging on this unit. So AC charging, you can have level 1, which is going to be 120 volts. That's going to take roughly 12 hours.
Okay.
But the advantage and what we recommend is at 240 volts, and that's going to be approximately 3 hours from 0 to full.
Really? 3 hours, 0 to full. Wow. There's the charge right there. So anyone hesitant about going electric, what would you say to them?
I would say don't be afraid. Try the machine, and we've had a lot of customers in the past, especially with our excavators and our wheel loaders, where they had these concerns. And the initial question we had was, is it powerful? Will it work? Can it do the job that I'm expected or I'm used to doing with other machines? And the answer is yes. These machines have every bit as much power as their conventional counterparts, and in a lot of cases, as we've referenced with the DD25, it has more power than the machine it's replacing.
And what do you think the future is for compactors at Volvo? Do you think it's this?
It's a good question, and we look at the new technologies that are coming out, the sustainability initiatives, and not only us as a company are pushing forward, but a lot of our company or our customers are doing the same thing. And they're needing a product that's going to meet those needs. So for us, we expect to continue to put forth new solutions that provide sustainable solutions to them, as well as looking into other technologies. We've shown concepts in the past, such as our CX-01, where we've had autonomy, we've had hybrid, and these are all areas that we want to continue to look at and make sure that we can provide value for our end customers.
Has there been any questions that you've heard on the floor here at the show in the last 2 days that you weren't expecting or that is special to the DD25?
I wouldn't say there's anything that's unexpected yet. A lot of these questions we've heard before, and these are the common ones that the customer comes in with. Initially it was, is it as powerful? Can it work? I think we, for the most part, answered that, and especially if a customer has driven an electric machine, they understand that now. So the next questions come up, how can I charge it? When do I charge it? Where do I charge it?
How long does it take?
How long does it take to charge it? And like we just answered, we have the options for AC charging, we have a DC fast charger option as well, where you can recharge this machine DC in as quick as 1 hour.
Wow. An hour?
1 hour.
That's usually the question I get. Like,
yes.
I don't want to be, stuck with any kind of downtime, and you can actually charge in an hour. That's fantastic. Any other questions that you can think of that we didn't cover?
It's been a very busy day for us so far. We've had a lot of excitement, a lot of customers coming in and asking about the machine, a lot of people asking for demos and when they can actually get a machine in front of them. So we spoke a little bit about that already. But I'd say outside of that, the biggest thing is to keep looking at what we're putting out and keep your eyes on Volvo, because not only we continue to put more product out, but we expect to continue to working on our compaction line as well.
If anyone wanted to do a demo, what would be the best way? Schedule it with their dealer?
Absolutely. Best way to go is to reach out to your local dealership, ask them, express your interest, or if you're at the show, by all means, reach out to us here. We can help you and we can get your information in the system as well.
And so like you said, it's out now, but it will be shipping next year. That's not that far away.
It's very, very close. So if you want to get out there, get in line, and we'll try to get you a machine as soon as we can.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Justin, for all the information that you shared with Volvo's new DD25 electric asphalt compactor. Very cool. I'll have to go down and take a closer look. I saw it earlier when we started. We're going to close out the chat today with a live Q&A with other Volvo e-mobility and charging experts coming up. So continue to put your questions in the in the chat for the Compactor Plus electric excavators, electric wheel loaders, charging, all of that in the chat, and we can join us. We'll join you then and talk about that. A lot of electric stuff on the floor this year. I love it.
That's exciting.
I love it. It's very exciting. Thank you, everybody, for watching.